guys, welcome back to the channel. So we got our chassis down. Now we're going to start taking it apart. And it's the same way when I started this build. You know, we take it off, we tag and bag it, label it, get it in the boxes, keep all the bolts and stuff together. That way you don't lose nothing. So we're going to start getting this bad boy down, and let's get it bagged and tagged and out the powder coat. So what you could do too is, if you're not 100% sure on how it goes back together, take pictures. Take pictures of everything. So we'll get it. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take pictures, make sure I put it all back together the same way. That's one motor mount. Let me go get a box. And we're going to put all of this small stuff in. Alright, so where we go? Same way I did the car the first time. Motor mount bolts. Put them in a box. I like the way they build these chassis. They don't, your cotter pins aren't like really bent, you know, where like you would bend them when you're finished. They know you're going to take this thing apart, so they just put a little bend in it so the cotter pin doesn't get lost, which is pretty cool, because then you don't have to worry about getting cotter pins. There we go. So, take it off, put the bolt back on, take your cotter pin, slide it in, give it a small little bend, just so the cotter pin, when the bolt won't fall out, and then spacer on this one. Hey, that's the kind of stuff you gotta watch. Spacers and stuff like that. So, really important. I mean, they give you the guide, but you know, I don't know if the guide gives you complete, like, you know, you lose that, you're in trouble. You know. So being that I don't want to smack, you know, normally you hit the spindle to knock off the ball joints. So we're using a center punch, right dead center, and just give it a light tap, because they don't really tighten them up. They just they tighten them up enough to keep the car together, and that. So they know that you're going to be taking these things apart. So I guess they don't go crazy on them. They don't go crazy on tightening them, so now let's see how we get this bad boy out. Oh baby. Something fell out there. I'm telling you, they put a lot of thought into this chassis, into their chassis. Because the cam system to adjust them is really smart. Ah, I'll get it. Okay. There's our spindle. That's a wood spindle. Haha. It doesn't have a washer there. Nor there. That surprises me a little bit. That might be too big for my bag. So that's that in a nutshell. Pretty basic, simple, you know, take it apart, bag and tag everything, label everything. So, I'll bring you guys back. What's up, guys? So we got a visitor here. Brandon, my nephew. He's building a 510, Datsun 510. Just bought his ECU to show it off.
Full tech, baby.
Oh, look at that.
Look how little that thing is.
That thing is incredible. Yeah, it's small. It's really small.
It's cool though.
What motor are you putting in that thing?
An SR20 DET out of an S13.
That video will come out pretty soon.
I have the SD card in my pocket.
We just got some footage. The problem is we keep forgetting to shoot footage on it because it is a Datsun. It's not a Chevy Camaro.
That's if I go with that color. Yeah. I have the other two. Everybody likes the Hennessy color. I like that. Yeah,
Holy shit.
This is different. Yeah. What is he doing? Pushing the ball joints out.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
What the hell was that?
It's letting go. Took that much. Oh, oh. Hey. You mother flower. Holy cow, that hurt my hand. But I wasn't dropping that controller. I might not have a knuckle left. Freaking took a chunk out. Woo, baby. Okay. Hey, welcome back to the channel. So, front end is totally disassembled. That's my passenger side control arm. They look the same, but I think the best thing to do is keep them separate, right and left, just in case there is a difference. But yeah, the front end is totally disassembled. We got to disassemble the brakes. I'm gonna do that last. We're gonna get into the differential now, the back end. Drop the rear out of it, drop all the suspension out of it, and then we'll get into the brake lines. And the chassis will be boned out. It'll be ready to go. So stay tuned. Good things are happening. Really are. They really are. Things are going just, you know, like I would like them to go, which is pretty smooth. No hiccups yet. Except for parts, you know, getting parts. But we're doing good. We're plugging along. I will be going on vacation pretty soon, so you might not see a few videos for a couple of weeks. So I'll post up what I have, and we'll go from there, man. You know, Ace Custom Cars, bro. On the Roadster shop chassis, 73 Camaro. Bad freaking ass. Badass.